Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to very quickly embed a video on a WordPress blog post. This is a live client's website, so we're just going to go over to a blog post, and they blog about sports, cricket, soccer, youth sports, all kinds of things. So we're going to go to a blog post and then click Edit to edit the WordPress blog post. Give it a sec. And then all you have to do to embed a video is click these three little dots on More Options, and we can insert a block in the Gutenberg blog editor before a paragraph, or wherever you want. Now we have another block. We can click this plus button to add a block, and then we can either, to embed a YouTube video post, we can either do just a common video block and put the URL in, or what might be easier if you know it's from YouTube is to embed a YouTube specific block. So we can add the URL there. We can grab one of their videos. There's our client Raghav. We can take the URL, put it into the video, embed it. There he is. Let's preview it. There's the picture they've chosen. There's his video, ready to play.
Hi again, this is Raghav from Sports.
It's that easy. That's how you embed a video on a WordPress blog post. There you go. Thanks, guys.